Lines running smoothly.
Confirmed. Let's check the calibration.
Good call. Proceed.
Calibrating now. Initiating the Z aircraft model.
The wing design looks solid.
Agreed. Checking the fuselage now. Let's check this assembly. Dimensions are in spec. All good? Logging it now. All right, frames aligned, ready to bolt. Copy, pins are in, go for it. Bolts are tight, frames secure. Align the flap hinges with the brackets. Use the rivet gun to secure the flap. Position the aileron and tighten the screws. Align the rotor with the housing. Insert and tighten the bolts. Ready to install the combustion chamber. Aligning now, perfect fit. Locked in, installation complete. Initiating the forging sequence now. Pressure holding steady, good deformation. Applying downward force to compress the shock absorber. The piston rod moves smoothly into the cylinder. Now, releasing the pressure. Aligning the unit now. Securing with the screwdriver. Installation complete. Press auto to engage the system. Set mode to normal. Adjust rate to low for smooth control. Check the diagnostics. High CPU. Got it. Memory leak on process 2487. Initiate the rollback now. Rolling back. Stabilizing. Align the nose cone with the rocket body. Slide it on until it seats firmly. Secure the connection with the assembly tool. These calculations are solid. Ready for final approval?
Yes, all checks pass. Approving now.
Excellent. Proceeding to phase 2.
All right, entering the cockpit. Seat secure, harness on, systems check.